Hi, I'm Lauren, and we are going to do an algebra question regarding Frank and Gary's weight. Let me go to my board, and here we go. So probably the hardest part of this question is going through and figuring out what all of this says. We're going to let F is equal to the Frank's weight, G is equal to Gary's. You're looking for the value of Gary's weight. So here we go. Let's start reading. Half of Frank's weight, 1/2 times Frank, is added to Gary's weight and is equal to 234 pounds. Okay, there's one expression. We have some more information. Half of Gary's weight added to Frank's weight is equal to 222 pounds. There we have it. Those are two equations and two unknowns. And then we can solve for one or the other and get the other aspect of the equation. So I'm actually going to pop over here because it's easier for my computer pen. So I'm going to start off with equation 2, and we're going to solve for F to begin with. So let's rewrite equation 2. 1/2 G plus F is equal to 222 pounds. So to get F by itself, we are going to subtract G, so 1/2 G from each side, and that gives us F is equal to 222 minus 1/2 G. So there is one expression that we've got. So I'm now going to take equation 2, and plug it into equation 1. So let's rewrite equation 1. Equation 1 is 1/2 times F plus G is equal to 234. I'm going to take this value for F and put it in right here. So we have 1/2 times F, which is 222, minus 1/2 G. We're going to add G again, because that's this next part is equal to 234. So now if you look at this equation, we have two G's, and we have the rest numbers, so we should be able to solve for G. Now, we've got this 1/2 value, and because it's outside of the parentheses, we need to multiply it through the parentheses. So 1/2 times 222 is equal to 111. You can plug that into your calculator. And then 1/2 times 1/2 is equal to 1/4. So subtract 1/4, and we still have the G there. And then we have to add a G, and we have 234. So now we have 1/4 of a G, 1 G, and that. So let us subtract 111 from each side. So now we have negative 1/4 G plus G is equal to 123. Now we can pull out a G value here and continue to simplify. G is equal to negative 1/4 plus 1 is equal to 123. Notice that all I did was take the G out of both expressions and had what was left over. So negative 1/4 plus 1 is equal to positive 3/4. So G times 3/4 is equal to 123. Now the next step is to get G all by itself. So in order to undo multiplying by 3/4, we can multiply by 4/3 on both sides. And notice that the 4's cancel and the 3's cancel, so you are just left with G is equal to 123 times by 4/3. And when you do that calculation, you can also think of it like this: 123 times 4, and then divide that by 3. Might make it calculation more calculator friendly. Turns out that that gives you 164. So G is equal to 164 pounds. So that is how you solve this algebraic expression. So we were looking for G, and by using two equations and two unknowns, we were able to do multiple steps and get 164 pounds. So thanks for watching.